Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGC. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. That's where all the red and green line annotations are coming from. And all these lines still totally pertain to the chart, especially this red line right here, which if you watch the past videos will mean a little bit more to you. But basically right here at $52.75, 53, whatever you want to call it. But I've talked about this specifically on Friday's video, and you can see that this level here is definitely, the thorn in the side of the chart right now. Yeah, the price did actually get up above it a couple of times today, but as far as maintaining up above it, the price just can never quite do it. So this is very clearly an area where in a broader sense, there are several sellers hanging out there. So 52.75, 53, whatever you want to call it, but that general range is, definitely the key area of resistance going into tomorrow. And that's nothing new. So, an update, not really the right word, probably more so confirmation that this level is indeed, a zone that's presenting problems. And if the price is going to, continue on with the overall uptrend, this is the level in the shorter term that very clearly is going to need to be broken and stayed above. Because remember, the price has broken above it several times. It's just a whole matter of staying up above it after the price breaks it. That's, kind of been, the difficult part for the price. So 52.75, definitely that initial key level. I didn't trade this one today, but I was definitely watching it. So I will be watching that. And, if the price can get a good, solid, strong volume break of it, then that's where right up here around 55-ish, give or take, then could potentially come into play as the next level of resistance. But one resistance at a time, and that first one is, again, right there between that 53 to 52.75 zone. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report. The price continues to stay up above that purple line there, which is a good sign. So that's definitely a level that a lot of people are going to be watching right around 51.50. If 51.50 cannot hold, then in my opinion, at minimum, the price is going to be headed down to the $50 mark to at least retest this level of support right here. But as it stands right now, the price isn't even necessarily close to, testing that purple line. But again, that's just, kind of what I'm looking at again from a trading perspective. If that level cannot hold, then I don't see any reason why it wouldn't go down to at least retest the 50 mark. So we'll see what happens with it. The week is young, still 4 days left. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.